How to sort numbers in Google Sheets from highest to lowest. If you would like to sort numbers on Google Sheets from highest to lowest, all you have to do is first of all open up your sheets or the certain data which you want to search according to highest to lowest. It could be in an alphabetical order, it could be in multiple columns or in a single column or row, however it is that you want to do. Now you simply have to highlight or simply select the cells until which you want to sort it alphabetically or numerically from highest to lowest or vice versa. Once you've done that, you want to simply go to the top and select the option called data. There you can see the option called sort sheet. There you can see sort sheet by A to Z or from Z to A in vice versa way. You can select that and then it will automatically sort the sheets in alphabetical or highest to lowest order or lowest to highest. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.